Power Platform, Power Apps, Office 365, Microsoft Azure, Power Automate, Azure DevOps, Power BI, Dynamics 365, .NET. Do you wish to learn new things?
Do you want to get hired for a position on the Power Platform?
If yes, this course is perfect for you.
Hi, I am Uma Mahesh and I will be the course instructor. I am an advanced Power Platform trainer with 10 years of Power Platform experience.
With this course, you will receive 50 hours of video training.
It's not all of it. You will also get a course completion certificate at the end of the course, lifetime access to all the course materials. By the end of this course, you will be able to create your own Power Platform apps quickly. Clear the Power Platform certification exam.
There are no prerequisites to take this course.
So, what are you waiting for? Learn Power Platform is right way. Enroll now.
Find us on www.crmonce.com.